Hello, curious minds and eager learners. Welcome to the Quick Tech Guidelines. Today we're going to learn an amazing Microsoft Excel trick which can save you a lot of time, especially for the formatting thing and when you're working on large data and which is not cleaned enough. So in order to do the formatting of the rows and the columns, it can be very helpful. Let's just not waste more time and get to the computer screen so that we can see. I have a book 1 over here which has countries data of multiple countries, which is the GDP data, by the way. What I can see over here is that there are multiple rows of different heights, and I don't want to arrange them manually over here. I want them to be automatically fixed as per their length. So what I'll do here, click over here and then click view code, and then from this drop down I'll select the worksheet, and then I'll tap the little code over here which is cells dot entire column. I'll select it with the tab dot AUTOFIT Autofit. I'll select it with the tab and close it. Okay, columns have been fixed. Now I'll click the code, view code, and again I'll type cells dot entire row dot auto fit. I'll select it, I'll close it, and boom. See, all the data is automatically fixed regardless of fact it's a row or it's a column. And you can do the same if you're working on large number of data. If you like the video, then give it a big thumbs up and tell me from which part of the world you're watching this video in the comments. Have a great day. Bye bye.